SYRA stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Syra Health stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm observing this, and post-market it's absolutely diabolical, although I'm seeing like a 50% increase in price. Bro, we're 61 cents, we're at 7, we were at 71 when we closed. Taking a look at the broader picture, like in general, I just did not want to, I didn't really like the range. And then we're just now filling in some gaps. But yeah, like I'm really not surprised, like although like this is post-market, but like if I see a double break, because again, I'm not even exaggerating when I say I've seen this happen thousands of times. If I see like the double breaks, then and only then I'm taking the crap out of this thing. Like I'm talking shorts, but if there's a double break, you know, so. Again, this is like me talking from what I've seen. It's not financial advice. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.